Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my full hair care wash day routine and how I achieve this super cute summer style. So if you would like to know, keep on watching. I am so happy that the hard part is done, which is obviously blow drying my hair. Washing my hair is the nice, soothing, fun part, and then blow drying is like, all right, we have to take our time and do it in sections, make sure she's fully, done correctly. But yes, happy that is over. Today we are doing a new hairstyle, which I'm super excited about. I've actually done this hairstyle before, which is hybrid micro braids and clip-ins in the back. Except last time I did not do a row of braids like at my nape, so that way I can like put it up in a ponytail and stuff. So I want to do that today. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long to do this hairstyle. I feel like last time it took me, I don't know, let's say, I think because it was my first time trying the hairstyle, it took me a little bit longer. But because this is round 2, I should be able to knock her out quickly. So I'm going to give myself about 2.5 3 hours, just because I'm not going to be super, particular about the parting and all that. But let's get started. As for the human hair that I'm going to be using for the braids, I'm just using some old bundles that I have. You can also do the same. I never really do this style and like buy new bundles for it. I just don't see the point. So I have some old bundles here that will be cut up into some braiding hair, and I think I'm just going to start with the back. Okay, so we have the back parted. Don't know how straight that is, but it's good enough for me. This is the edge control that I love to use when I'm doing my braids. I don't use anything else. And then I just legit just cut it right off the web. Just like so. I literally just started braiding my own hair maybe 3 years ago, but I'm very happy with the fact that, hey, if the braid is connecting and it's staying on and not slipping out, we're good, babes. And that's just kind of how I do it. First braid is done. I also just braid down to where my hair ends and then do like a little knot around and secure it in place, and our first braid is done. I'm officially finished with all of the braids, thank God. I'm hoping that I did enough to cover the tracks in the back, because honestly that's where I messed up the last time. Don't want to do that again. But here are the clip-ins I'm going to be using. These are from Love Me Hair, and now we just try, we just see. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Clip-ins are in, and the braids and the whole style in general is pretty much finished, and I'm really happy with how it's looking right now. I did do a quick shirt change because I do want to wash the clip-ins and the hair that I used to braid, just because I feel like sometimes the edge control and the excess oils from that can kind of seep into the hair and make it kind of stiff. So I'm going to go in with the Cécred clarifying shampoo and quickly wash these bundles. So hair is fully washed and clean, and I already feel so much better about it. But while that air dries, I'm going to go ahead and set the braids with this Camille Rose mousse. I absolutely love this product, and it smells so pretty. So let's go ahead and do that. And honestly, I feel like everyone knows hairstyle is not really complete until your makeup is done. So I most definitely need to go do that to make sure that I love this whole style. Scarf is on, hair is air drying, and I will be right back to show you guys the final look with my beat face. And I'm so excited because I feel like this hair is looking so bomb, and I'm gonna like genuinely be feeling myself once my makeup is done. So here is the final look, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I cannot believe it. It's so cute. I'll take a step back because I'm pretty short so you guys can see the length. And when I say, oh my god, it came out way better than when I did the style the first time, thank God. But I'm really happy with the results, and I hope you guys like it too. Please do not be afraid to ask any questions about the hair or products or just anything like that down below in the comments. Also, my DMs are always open. I will be here to answer any questions you guys may have. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe, and I will be back with another video very soon. Bye!